Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have some important updates from some of the stocks. Before going to that, let's check how the index has gave closing today. When coming to Nifty 50, it gave a flat closing. Today 19,794 is the closing price of Nifty 50 in the evening. And when coming to Sensex, it is 65,970 is the closing price. It also gave very flat closing. But today it experienced some volatile session and the market is majority of the time is in consolidation phase only. And coming to Bank Nifty, it gave 0.44% positive closing. That means 191 points has been gained up by Bank Nifty. 43,769 rupees is the closing price for Bank Nifty. Today we have an important update from Lupin. Lupin shares surged close to 52-week high following the approval of its two of its products by the US Food and Drug Administration FDA. The Mumbai-based pharmaceutical company received the green light for Bromfenac Ophthalmic solution 0.07% and Canagliflozin tablets 100 mg and 300 mg. These products are intended for treating postoperative inflammation and reducing ocular pain after cataract surgery, as well as assisting diabetic patients. In separate regulations, Lupin disclosed that these products are generic equivalents of Provenza ophthalmic solution 0.07% by Bausch and Lomb INC and Evocana tablet 100 mg and 300 mg by Janssen Pharmaceuticals. Lupin noted that the manufacturing of these approved products would take place at its Pitampur facility in Madhya Pradesh. The company also highlighted its eligibility for a 180-day exclusively period for Prolensa ophthalmic solution 0.07%. The combined annual sales of both approved products in the US market are estimated to be around $746 million, approximately 6,200 crore Indian rupees. Lupin stock experienced a notable quick uptick, strengthening by 3.5% to reach 1238.5 a piece on Bombay Stock Exchange, nearing 52-week high. The potential performance of Lupin shares contributed to a 1.1% increase in the Nifty Pharma index. This development significance a significant milestone for Lupin, positioning the company for potential growth and market prominence in the pharmaceutical industry. Today, Paytm stocks went down by almost 5%. This made each share worth 880 rupees, the lowest it's been in 5 months. Why did this happen? Yes, we have an important update from Paytm stock. Well, there was something called a block deal. It involved a huge number of shares, about 1.57 crore, which is likely 2.5% of the whole company. The problem is we don't know who bought or sold these shares. It's a mystery. There happened a block deal. They don't know anything about who bought and who sold, so the public is unaware of this block deal. This mystery deal made a lot of people who own Paytm stock worried, and because of that, the stock price went down a lot. It's a chain reaction, one thing happens and it affects everything else. We talked to a money expert to understand what's going on. According to them, the fact that we don't know what happened in the block deal is making investors nervous. That's why the stock is acting all crazy. Now, people on social media and financial websites are talking about it. Some are worried and some seem to it a chance to buy Paytm stock at a lower price. The whole situation is a bit like a roller coaster ride. So, in a conclusion, Paytm stock had a tough time because of its mystery deal. We were still waiting to find out who was involved and what it means for the future of Paytm. Today we have an update from Mamaearth from its parent company Honasa Consumer. Yes, Honasa Consumer, the company behind Mamaearth, saw its stock shoot up by a whooping 32% in just 2 days. It's a fascinating story. Let's dive deep into it. There are some reasons why this happened. Honasa Consumer made a lot of money in the last quarter. Sales went up by 21%, hitting 496 crore, and their profits are also grew big time. Jefferies' positive predictions also gave some positiveness. Some experts at Jefferies, a big finance company, said Honasa consumer stock could go up to 70%. They think the company will keep growing fast for the next 3 years. This made a positive effect in the run of Mamaearth. Not enough shares to go around. Surprisingly, this is the reason. There aren't many shares of Honasa consumer available for people to buy. A lot of shares are locked up and can't be sold until later, leaving only 23.5% of the company shares for trading. When Honasa Consumer first joined the stock market in November, its price was a bit lower than expected. But now it's gone up by a huge 84% from its lowest point. So the big jump in Honasa consumer stock is a mix of making good money, positive predictions, and not enough shares to go around. Just a quick reminder, don't ever involve in any financial decisions without proper homework and proper consultation. Always consult your financial advisor before investing in any stocks or trading any stocks, which are very manipulative or can be tricky. So don't just go by the news. Check before and do some homework before investing, and always consult your financial advisor before taking any decisions regarding financials. That's all for today. If you really find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.